Welcome back to my channel. This is Lufa and you're watching Lufa Diary. So if you're new to this channel, please support me by clicking the subscribe button, the red button down below, and i-click nyo na rin yung notification bell para every time na may bago akong upload ay manonotify. So, this is another product review. This product is about hair products. So, nagamit ko na siya for 2 weeks. So, about this product, so let's watch this video. So, this is the product that I have been using lately. So, 2 weeks already. Me and my husband are loving it. So, that's why I want to share it with you. So, this is not a sponsored video. So, this is from Kerasys Hair Clinic System. It is a hair conditioner, but it is a repairing conditioner as what they've said. So there are a lot of variants from Kerasys, but I chose the damaged care for damaged hair with split ends. So since I have damaged hair, actually dry with split ends since last summer, I am always soaking my hair in salt water, and then plus the sun exposure, plus I have hair color. So patong-patong na, kaya takot naman akong mag-salon. So I really chose a product that would actually at least repair my hair without going to salon. Since it's pandemic, it's not essential to do salon at this moment. So as much as possible, we can have our own remedy. So I bought this at SM Depth Store for about 300 plus. So it's a repairing conditioner. So it has triple nutrition system with argan oil, jojoba oil, and avocado oil. Deeply nourishes damaged hair. And it also has ceramide. This product contains ceramide, which provides dry hair with sufficient nutrition. That's what I need. So it keeps hair smooth and healthy. So it also has Edelweiss and Swiss Alpine herbal extract. So the clean herbal extract from the alpine regions of Switzerland is rich in amino acids and vitamins that helps to maintain healthy hair. So there's direction and precaution. So directions as usual as normal hair conditioner. So we have, after shampoo, we have to massage your hair and then put the conditioner, then rinse off thoroughly with water. So there's also a lot of ingredients. So some ingredients are actually herbal extract, a lot of herbal extract infused with the normal hair conditioner ingredients, and it is from Korea. It's 600 ml. So I've been using it for a while. So ang product na to ay nagamit ko for about 2 weeks already. So this part is ito yung walang kulay, and this part is ito yung may kulay. So aside from nakulayan na talaga siya, before kami nagbakasyon nung March ay nagkulay-kulay ako. Alam mo naman tayo mga babae. So, nag-DIY kulay ako. Yung highlighter yung ginamit ko. Yan. Ang nangyari, nagkakaroon ng patsi-patsi yung kulay. Hindi pantay yung kulay. And aside from that, because of my DIY color, ay talagang nagkaroon ng split ends. Nag-dry yung hair ko kasi nga niligo ko siya sa dagat. So, nung niligo ko siya sa dagat, soaking my hair halos everyday sa salt water plus sun exposure. So, yun, mas lumala yung aking hair. Mas naging dry siya and maraming split ends. So, naghahanap ako ng mga conditioner. Actually, nakailang conditioner na akong na-try. Aside from the conditioner na dun talaga ako bumabalik pag hindi ko nagustuhan yung conditioner na ginamit ko, which is the cream silk na green. So, yun talaga yung lagi kong binabagsakan. Kumbaga, pag hindi ko bet, hindi ko talaga nauubos, hindi ko inuubos. Tapos, kunyari, nagkakadandrap ako sa conditioner na yun. So, itigil ko yun. Balik ako sa cream silk na green. So, after I've been using this product for 2 weeks already, and I'm loving it. Not just me, but pati yung asawa ko, nagustuhan niya kasi nga, malambot siya sa excuse me, malambot siya sa hair, plus hindi siya malagkit. Yun yung napapansin ko. And alternate akong nagbabasa ng buhok. Kunyari, ngayon ay maliligo ako using shampoo and conditioner. So, kinabukasan hindi ako magbabasa ng buhok, sunod na araw na. So, kahit na yung araw na hindi ako nag-conditioner ay malambot pa rin siya, but hindi siya sticky. So, no sticky feeling. That's why I'm loving this, and probably bibili pa ako ulit kasi as you can see the video a while ago, so marami siyang herbal extract, may ceramide siya, may mga avocado may mga avocado extract, may jojoba and argan oil. So ano na talaga siya, it's really for repairing your hair, and sulit siya kasi hindi naman siya totally mahal for the size, for the 600 ml, 315 pesos lang siya. And it's made from Korea. So, kaya ko i-share sa inyo para matry nyo din. And if I rate this hair conditioner from 1 to 10, so it's gonna be 9. As you can see, my hair is actually, it looks like dry. But when you touch it, malambot po siya, malambot. Kasi dry siya kasi damaged pa, and 2 weeks ko pa lang siyang ginagamit. So, I hope you like this video, and I hope that it guide you in choosing the best conditioner that you can try. So for repairing damaged hair, so this is one of the best hair conditioner that I have tried. And I hope you like this video. So this is Lufa, and please do click the subscribe button as hindi mo pa na-click, and the notification bell. And if you like this video, please click the subscribe and thumbs up button. See you again on my next video. So this is Lupa saying, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. So thank you for watching, and God bless you.